First-year TalTech University students visited Freen WIND TURBINES FACTORY in Ida-Viru, Estonia. Freen engineers wanted to spark students' interest in the energy sector and everything wind turbine related. During the tour, we answered all the questions. The students were exceptionally curious about our modern machine park, including CNC machinery. Officially launched in 2022, the Freen facility is built to bring our vision of renewable energy to life on a large scale. Covering 25,000 square meters, our manufacturing plant is designed for high efficiency and precision. We have the capacity to produce up to 4,000 wind turbines each year with the ability to scale up. Our factory stands as a step forward for both Estonia and the renewable energy industry as we bring sustainable wind power closer to homes and communities around the world.